guys, this is Melissa and
Aubrey
from momluck.com, and we've teamed up with Hallmark to bring you guys some cool ideas just in time for the holidays. So today we want to talk to you about a fun toy that you can find at Hallmark called
Itty Bittys. Itty Bittys are found at Hallmark and Hallmark Gold Crown stores.
A fun thing to do during the holidays is the countdown to Christmas. So we came up with a fun idea to count down to Christmas and get a fun surprise from our itty bitty friends. So here we've just created a Christmas tree with the 12 days of Christmas. This is super easy to make. You just get a poster board, cut it in 4 strips and roll it up into little tubes, and then top it off with some tissue paper and a rubber band. And then inside, you've got your itty bitties. So each day your child will get a fun surprise and they'll get to add to their collection. And at the end of the 12 days, my suggestion would be this fun itty bitty nativity set. So Aubrey, what do you like about itty bitties?
I love that they're really soft and cute and mean any characters you like.
They even have fun characters from when Mom was little, like Rainbow Bright.
Okay.
So anyway, this is just a fun tip brought to you guys from Mom Luck and Hallmark. So I hope that you enjoyed it and you'll check your local Hallmark stores for itty bitties.
Bye.
Bye.